Shit. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. That pit probably blow up at the end.
Huh?
Man, you got a little blurry, y'all.
Nah, these ain't the ones that do nothing. These the ones that do that. They gonna come down and just do that.
Oh, shit. Oh shit!
It did some.
Junior looking like what the fuck? Like the other one though, that's pretty.
Yeah.
They like the other one though.
You got nails, I ain't got no.
I'm posting this on my YouTube channel, y'all.
Hit that cigarette before you kill it.
Y'all gotta say hey. Oh, y'all ain't gonna say hey?
Hey.
I'm posting this, y'all. I'm just laughing at the shit the whole time.
You happy what? That bill came.
I'm laughing, y'all. The whole time I'm laughing.
Look at how
That shit pretty.
Man. Look at how it got.
That shit pretty, y'all. We finna do another one.
Your ass, bitch.
Oh, you talking about that cat?
Hell yeah.
What it did?
Beat the shit out that damn cat.
Don't say it while I'm on YouTube. I'm on
When I was
YouTube.
going to get the cigarette, he ran up to me. I picked up.
Why he say that? I'm on YouTube.
Oh, jump my man.
He said he gonna get a cat some gifts or something, y'all. I don't freaking know what he said. He not gonna do that to that cat. You gotta put it right here. In the middle.
Right there.
Yeah, we finna do it again. Do it again.
Light tape.
I can stand right here. Let me light this time. Can I light it?
He trying to
I
knock
finna
this
light
shit
this
out.
time, y'all.
Oh, all right, light it.
Oh, there you go. I lit that bitch. I lit that motherfucker. It more prettier right here, y'all. Y'all can see it more better. Cause the lightning. That's pretty.
Real talk though. Why did?
This going on YouTube, y'all. Happy New Year's. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
That be fine. Look, you see how it go from the bottom, then it go all at one time.
Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Like for Angel for it now.
Oh God, that shit fire here.
That been hard. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all, on that motherfucking channel, y'all. Make sure y'all.
That bit was hard.
Oh, Junior, like, what the fuck going on?
Get that out your mouth.
But
Get
for
it out
real,
your
y'all,
mouth.
like, comment, subscribe. They see.
No.
They see.